Hi guys, welcome back to my channel ybtechsolutions. So today I want to show you replace screen for iPhone Galaxy S20 FE 5G. So this screen is totally brick, so we need to replace for screen. We already ordered for new screen with frame, so I will show you how to replace. I show you step by step, so please watch full video, then you can replace on yourself. So first of things, you need to remove this back cover. So you need to just little bit hot, like use the gun, and then you use this tool. This tool I am using for every mobile phone, removing the back cover. This is perfect for that. So you just put here and slightly move the all the way. So this is already open. This next step is you need to remove this all screws. So this is for you see this is roundabout. So there is a chip is already connected for the wireless charging. If you need to use the wireless charging, then it's work. But if you are okay, so be careful. You need to remove in downside first, slowly, and then take it up. And this one is already open, so you need to remove this cover. Okay, and then you remove to this plastic cover for motherboard, and like this. So this is speaker, so we will after we clean. Okay, so this is the main power cable. which is charging port to motherboard, so we need to remove this one. And this one is for battery. Okay, and also you need to remove this camera, and this front camera. So this is, first you remove back camera and then remove first front camera. So front camera, you carefully put it here, 1 2, and then you can remove this tool is very important for your any phone for repairing. So this is perfect for remove everything in the motherboard or in the back. Okay, so this one have one screw here extra, so I did not see before. Okay, and then you can take up and push back. Okay, so there is have one more thing. So this is SIM card port. You need to go out. Okay, and now your motherboard can become out easily. Okay. Okay, so this is your motherboard, and then you need to remove the battery. So remove this one. This is for screen. We remove that one too. Okay. Okay, so this one is also, you just carefully have one screw. When you remove screw, then it should be out. Okay, so this is your charging port. If it's not working, you also can replace this easily if you watch video. So this one you must be removed. This is the speaker. Okay, so speaker you need to remove, and also sensor, this one you need to remove, and ground, and then this is the camera. Okay, and now we remove the battery. So battery you need to remove very carefully. If you hole in the battery, they burn or something like that, so you must be do nice and slowly. Okay, Okay, so when you remove battery, so you just little bit straight. Okay, so this screen is cracked screen. We remove everything already. You just double check this screen and new screen, so you just double check is all is same. Yeah, so look like is everything is same. So we are now install back everything on this screen. Okay, so you need to use everything on step by step. Okay, so for example, this camera we are open here, so there is have some paper. You need to remove this paper first. Okay, and then this camera we are put it here. Okay, and then this is your second camera, but this one is we install after. And this is the motherboard. Just like that. Okay, and then your camera, this is the big camera, and the second camera, and front camera, before front camera, and then this is the speaker in the downside is here. Be careful. Okay, this is the last one, and you also need to remove this one. Okay, so this one is come here, but first you need to put this charging board back. Okay, here we have removed one screw, so we need to put back for that screw. After that we remove the motherboard. Okay, so that screw is here. No, not this one. Okay, and then your battery. So before install battery, you can put some glue on it. Okay, and next. Okay, and then you need to install back for charging port. So this one is for screen, and this one for touch sensitivity. Okay, and then you need to put your main chip. So this main chip, before you just follow this arrow. Okay, and then you need to put back for this cover. There is have inside already speaker. Okay, and second step, you need to put back for this one. So, and also we need to connect these two wires. Okay, and you need to put back this cover. So we are put it back for this all screws. So I just installed two screw and we check first so it's work properly or any issue or something before we close. So okay, so screen is perfect working, Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. So, and also I will show you for touch screen is working. Okay, so yeah, so this is everything is perfect working. Okay, so my screen is done. So we need to just put it back, all screws and your back cover. So before you put your back cover, you just put little bit glue here on it or double tape on it and just put it back like this and press in the side, so your phone is ready to go. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my more videos. Thank you so much.